Let's see how to connect your micro SD card on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. I'm going to show you two different ways. So the first thing is we need a SD card reader. Basically there is two options here. You can use a micro SD card reader like this or multi SD card reader. You can use this for micro SD card, SD, XC, HC, any models. So you can see there are 4 ports available here. It's very cheap, so you don't need to worry about this. It's like 50 cents, $1. So connect this SD card reader into your iPhone 17. We need a OTG or any adapter. So in that case we have two options. Either we need this USB-C OTG or this USB-C to HDMI adapter. So if you have any one of this, you are ready to go. So first I show you using this OTG. The thing is very simple. So you just need to take your SD card and just insert this on the SD card reader like this. For this multi-port SD card reader, you just need to connect this on the small slot. So just like that. Then take your OTG and connect those things and grab your iPhone 17 and directly plug it. Now open the Files app and yeah, here you can see no name, which was my SD card. I just opened that. So here you can see the photos. I have one movie here. So it's actually very simple. If you want to transfer this to Photos app, just long press, copy, back, and open iCloud or on my iPhone. I just open on my iPhone and long press again, paste. So here you can see the movie was transferring from my SD card to my iPhone Files app. Let's wait until it complete. You can track the live transferring here. Half of the portion was done. It's like a minute. Yeah, it's done. You can see the sound. It indicates it's done. So you can see 1 GB of movie was transferred to my iPhone storage. So this is the thing. Now if you want to eject, just minimize this and turn on flight mode and close the regions completely, then disconnect this. Or if you want a safe thing, means press the volume up button and side button and turn off your iPhone, then disconnect this setup. That's it. Let's see the second connection method. If you don't have this OTG, you can use this USB-C to HDMI adapter. You just need to plug this SD card reader on the USB port like this and directly plug this thing into your iPhone. That's it, you are done. So open Files app and no name, same thing. If it doesn't connect, just remove and flip this thing and that's it, you are done. After this, same process for transfer the file. So this is how you need to do, and if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, watch this playlist.